Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we will go through how to integrate Qt Designer with PyCharm. So let's get straight into it. First thing first we need is install PyQt 5. So go here right on the left side to Python packages and type in PyQt 5. And we will install this first one here. So let's go with that one and install. After this is successfully installed, we can proceed to the next step, that is configuring Designer and Buick as external tool in PyCharm. So for that, we will need to wait a little bit. Okay, so now we can go to the files, and then we go to settings. So settings, and from here we can go to tools. I will just take a little bit bigger screen. So we need to get to tools, where they are here, tools, and after that external tools, like that. Now click on that button to add a new tool, like so. So now we can name this like Qt, something like that, external tool. So now here put in the path to your Python installation folder. Arguments, we can say the designer, and working directory can be like so. Click OK, and again like that, and again press plus button, and because we will make Buick, which we will use to convert our designer UAI files to Python files. So type in right here, I will go like that, UAI C. Then the same path as we used before, like so. Then we have arguments. It will be something like, I will go like that, file name without extension, blah blah blah. And after that we have working directory as before, like that. Click OK, and that's that. We created external tools. Now just hit the apply button and then OK, like that. I will close that thing right here, and from now we can go to here to tools, and here we will find external tools. So as you can see, external tools which we made here, Qt Designer and Python USA. And yeah, this is how we create that. Now, and this is how we create our external designer in PyCharm. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.